Google Pixel 7a screen replacement. The Pixel 7a is a mid-range smartphone from Google that was launched in May 2023. It is part of the Google Pixel 7 series, along with the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. The Pixel 7a has a 6.1-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a 90 Hz refresh rate. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and has an under-display fingerprint sensor. The Pixel 7a runs on Android 13 and is powered by the Google Tensor G2 chipset, which has an octa-core CPU and a Mali G710 MP7 GPU. It has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, but no micro SD card slot. The Pixel 7a has a dual rear camera setup, consisting of a 6.4MP main camera with OIS and a 13-megapixels ultra-wide camera. It can record 4K videos at up to 60 FPS. The front-facing camera is also a 13-megapixels ultra-wide lens that can capture 4K videos at 30 FPS. The Pixel 7a has a 4,385 mAh battery that supports 18W wired charging and 7.5W wireless charging. It also has stereo speakers, NFC, and IP67 water and dust resistance. The Pixel 7a comes in 4 colors: charcoal, snow, sea, and coral. The Pixel 7a also includes 3 months of YouTube Premium and Google One as part of the package. How to replace your Google Pixel 7a screen in Sydney CBD. If you have a cracked or broken screen on your Google Pixel 7a, you might be wondering how to get it fixed. You don't want to compromise the performance and security of your device by using a cheap or low-quality replacement. You also don't want to waste your time and money by going to an unreliable or inexperienced repair shop. Fortunately, there is a solution for you: Sydney CBD Repair Centre. This is a professional and trusted repair service that specializes in Google Pixel 7a screen replacement. They have a team of skilled and experienced technicians who use genuine parts and tools to ensure the best results. The ultimate solution for your Google Pixel 7a screen repair at Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Accidents happen, especially when it comes to our precious smartphones. If you're a proud owner of a Google Pixel 7a and have found yourself with a cracked screen, fret not. Sydney CBD Repair Centre has got you covered. In this video post, we'll delve into the process and advantages of getting your Google Pixel 7a screen replaced at Sydney CBD Repair Centre, ensuring a hassle-free and convenient experience. Genuine parts and quality assurance. When it comes to repairs, using genuine parts is paramount. Sydney CBD Repair Centre prides itself on using only authentic Google Pixel 7a screens for replacements. Rest assured, your new screen will be of the highest quality, ensuring optimal functionality and longevity for your device. Efficiency and quick turnaround time. Time is of the essence, and Sydney CBD Repair Centre understands that. With their expertise and well-stocked inventory of parts, they can efficiently replace your Google Pixel 7a screen. The estimated time for this repair is remarkably quick, allowing you to get back to your digital life as soon as possible. They can replace your Google Pixel 7a screen in about 1.5 hours. Preserving key functionalities. One common concern when it comes to screen replacements is the compatibility of key features such as the fingerprint scanner and Face ID. At Sydney CBD Repair Centre, their skilled technicians ensure that your device's old fingerprint scanner and Face ID continue to function seamlessly on the new screen. Say goodbye to any inconveniences caused by a faulty display. Positive reviews and convenient operating hours. Sydney CBD Repair Centre has garnered an impressive number of positive Google reviews from satisfied customers. Countless individuals have praised the skill, professionalism, and customer service provided by their technicians, establishing them as a reputable repair centre in Sydney. Furthermore, Sydney CBD Repair Centre understands how valuable your time is. That's why they offer convenient operating hours, including extended hours during weekdays and availability on weekends. You can easily find a time that suits you best to have your Google Pixel 7a screen repaired. Sydney CBD Repair Centre has more than 1,700 positive Google reviews from satisfied customers who have used their services. They are open Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. They are conveniently located at Suite 201, Level 2, 661st George Street, Haymarket, near the Central Station. Booking an appointment. Booking an appointment for your Google Pixel 7a screen repair is a breeze. Sydney CBD Repair Centre offers multiple options to suit your preferences. You can conveniently book online through their website or give them a call. Additionally, if you're in the area, you even have the option for walk-in repairs during their business hours. You can book an appointment online through their website or call them at 02-8011-4119. You can also walk in on their business days and hours without an appointment, but it is recommended to book ahead to avoid waiting. They also accept mail and repair for local and international customers who can't visit their shop in person. Mail-in repairs for local and international customers. Sydney CBD Repair Centre doesn't stop at providing in-person services. They are committed to serving customers from all across Australia and even internationally. For those unable to visit their physical location, they happily accept mail-in repairs. This dedication to convenience makes it easier than ever to have your Google Pixel 7a screen repaired, no matter where you're located. Your damaged Google Pixel 7a screen no longer needs to be a cause for concern. Sydney CBD Repair Centre not only offers a seamless and efficient screen replacement using genuine parts, but they also preserve the functionality of your device's fingerprint scanner and Face ID. With their impressive track record of positive customer reviews and convenient operating hours, they continue to be a reliable choice for Google Pixel 7a repairs. Whether you prefer to visit in person, mail in your device, or book an appointment online or by phone, Sydney CBD Repair Centre ensures a hassle-free experience for all. Trust their expertise and commitment to delivering top-notch service as they help restore your Google Pixel 7a's display to its former glory. So, what are you waiting for? If you need a Google Pixel 7a screen replacement, don't hesitate to contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre today. They will take care of your device with professionalism and care, and they will make it look and work like new again.